Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to change plan on Netflix. First of all, open up a web browser and sign into netflix.com. Here I've already signed into my Netflix account. Once you're inside, go ahead and mouse over to your profile picture at the top right corner and click on the account button. From your account page, go ahead and get to this change plan option under quick links. Now you will be able to see the list of plans that you can choose from. Choose the plan that you want to switch on and click on it. Right after you select the plan, click on the continue button. The availability of plans may vary depending upon your region. You will be charged for a fee for changing your plan depending upon your region and the specific plans involved. Changes to your plans typically take effect at the beginning of your next billing cycle, so that should be able to help you easily change your Netflix plan to suit your needs and preferences. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.